Apa kabar, my friends? Can you believe it? It's 2022. Oh my god. In a year where the country has strived to get back to normal, the Mak Tok family has grown not just with new team members, but also our range of products. We managed to launch our first ever sweet soy sauce, that's ketchup manis by the way, and our 4 brand new chili sauces inspired by different regions in Malaysia in May. We managed to increase our turnover by over 100%, launching into 39 amazing new UK independent stores and selling to 4 different countries with some exciting news coming this January, which I can't wait to tell you guys. The hard work hasn't stopped. We ran our biggest marketing campaign to date over the summer with our #JustMalaysian campaign, which went hand in hand with the launch of our new website to improve our customers' journey and shopping experience. We then worked closely with our retailers and listened to our customers and went through a small rebranding on our paste labels. It was also great to get back out and about and speaking to our customers this year after over a year and a half of not being able to do so. And we also ran our first sellout pop-up Malaysian kitchen in collaboration with Sheffield's China Red. With exciting developments coming in this area in 2022, I can't wait to show you what I've been working with the team on. To close the year, our first ever cookbook. Something that had always been a dream of mine since the start of my journey. It was great to write and share with you all the flavors that me and my family grew up with. It was an overwhelming success, selling out our original batch during our first week of launch along with our first ever Christmas hamper. So that's the summary of 2021 and I can't wait to see what 2022 has got for us. Now running Mak Tok, as you might know, it's got its ups and downs and the challenges, oh my god, sometimes is quite crippling. But because of you supporting me from wherever you are, it makes this journey so much more fulfilling, not only for me but also for my team. So from all of us at Mak Tok, thank you very much and have a brilliant 2022. Happy New Year guys. Jumpa lagi.